Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add a weather widget to your home screen on a Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. Then you want to touch and hold on the home screen. And in here, go down and tap on widgets. Next, you want to swipe across until you find the weather folder. Then tap on that. Next, tap on the add button. And then in here, you can add in a city by tapping on the plus button. So put in the city that you would like to add. So for example, I'm going to put in this city, San Jose. And then it will try to search for the city. After that, you can select the city and it will show right here. Now you can adjust the size of the widget by simply readjust the handle. So tap on, hold onto the handle and then drag it outwards or inward to adjust the size of your widget. And you can also move it up and down like so. And once you are happy, just tap on the screen outside of the box to save the changes. And to delete the widget, you can touch and hold onto the widget. And from the pop-up, tap on the remove button. And that will remove the widget from the home screen. And that's it. That's how you can add a widget, a weather widget, to the home screen. Now from time to time, you can tap on the refresh button. So on the widget itself, there is a small refresh button. So you can tap on that to refresh the button to get the latest update on the weather. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.